back to our channel, and today's vlog, guys, another new recipe, guys. Chicken breast. Okay, chicken breast stove in miso soup, miso paste. Okay, on the slice chicken breast, let's put paprika or any spice do you like to put, and soy sauce, sake, rice wine. Let's marinate this chicken, guys, for a while preparing our miso sauce. Home cook, home recipe, not restaurant recipe. Home cook is always the best. Cook with love so that your recipe or your food will become more delicious. Okay, let's set aside. Don't put so much salty taste on this because the miso is salty. Okay, set aside, and let's prepare our seasoning. Miso, okay, M-I-S-O. This one is beans paste with dashi fish seasoning. And to balance the taste, to make it creamy and balance the taste, put mayonnaise. And another sake or rice wine. Then sugar. Sweet miso paste. Okay, mix it. And on the pan, let's put a cooking oil, olive oil, or any kind of oil that you have available in your kitchen. And saute the garlic and onion, guys. Simple but delicious. Home cook is always the best. Any recipe that you can cook is the best. And saute also the paprika to add more aroma and sweet taste from paprika. And also the onion leek or nagay negi, long onion. And on this part, guys, let's put the marinated chicken. Chicken, it's easy to cook, guys. You need so much, lots of time to spend. No need lots of time because chicken, it's easy to tender, but better cook properly to make sure that it's safe. And on this part, guys, no need to fry or what, no need to wait until it's tender because the taste is miso. To absorb it deeper, put it while it's raw. Okay, the mixture of miso, beans paste, mayonnaise, sugar, and sake. Then make the fire medium so that it could make it more tender. when you put a lot of fire, guys, the meat would turn into hard. Okay, don't put pressure fire. In a slow fire, it's good. Cover it until it's until the meat is cooked and the sauce would become thick syrup, or what does toro nihongo de wa tare ga toro ni naru made eigo wakaranai. I don't know how to speak it in English. Okay, then keep watching, guys, until end. Hello, guys. After 15 minutes, guys, the sauce would become a little bit thickened. So this one, the sign that the meat is already cooked. And let's add the taste, guys, is quite salty and sweet. A balanced taste of salty from miso and sweet from sugar. Okay, that's amazing and good for rice. Okay, amazing taste. And let's add green peas. This one is already boiled, you can buy in supermarket. And let's add the remaining paprika. This one is already ready to serve. So guys, thanks for watching. For those who are watching until here, you are awesome. I hope your channel, and I pray your channel will become more successful to us. Okay, good for rice. Okay, it's very easy, not too much time consuming. Just only put the seasoning, a mixture of miso paste, or beans fermented paste, beans fermented. Okay, and put a little bit of sugar to balance the taste with mayonnaise. And you can put vegetables if you'd like, or anything that is fit on this recipe. Okay, I hope I could share something new from my kitchen. And I hope those who are watching would become more successful on their channel. Stay tuned, guys, on my channel for another new recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. It's done. It's ready to serve. Okay, very satisfying taste. Nihongo dewa, and in Japanese term, sappari no aji. Sappari, satisfying. You don't need to ask something like not so much salty, not so much sweet. It's balanced, perfect balance, perfect couple. So until here, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my simple recipe of chicken breast. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much.